Hello, people. So today I'm in a extraordinarily bubbly mood, but the book that I'm about to review just now is one of the most it is bright and morning while I'm reviewing this, but basically it's called Bangarh to Bedlam, Haunted Encounters. This book is by the writer Deepta Roy Chakraverti, who's the daughter of Ipshita Roy Chakraverti. It's like the art of Wiccan sciences, Wiccan, the Wiccan arts. So I have a personal collection of more than 1500 books. I mean, but among all of them, I found this book, yeah, Bangarh to Bedlam, to be one of the most. It is once you start reading until you finish the close to 200-page book, more than 200-page book, I think, yeah. You will not want to leave it. It's like, yeah, close to 200 pages. It's riveting like nothing else. So people, this is available on Amazon, and it is like, I mean, for the first time I've seen a book that is so rich in facts as well as the writing description. I can't recommend it enough, people. It is called Bangarh to Bedlam. It's a whole collection of short little true life anecdotes, and this is one book that once you start reading, you have to keep reading till the end. So really, people, just get onto Amazon and order this, because there are certain books that more people need to know about. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.